What's the meaning of antler? Antler. 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 Antler.
An antler is a branched, bony growth that protrudes from the head of members of the deer family, which includes deer, elk, moose, and caribou. Antlers are typically shed and regrown each year and are used primarily by males during the mating season to establish dominance and attract mates. They can also be used for defense against predators and during other interactions with members of their own species. Antlers are prized by hunters and collectors for their aesthetic value and are sometimes used in traditional medicine.